going to be the beginning of chicken tikka masala. So I marinated this in tandoori spice, a little bit of water, a little bit of oil, a little bit of vinegar, just to get it to penetrate good. We're cooking it over some coals. We're going to throw it in the Dutch oven. Should be delightful. Look at that nice char. That's probably some of the nicest chicken I think I've ever made. Welcome back to Half-Ass Off Grid. You want to try something a little different at your campsite or your next deer camp? Something that's easy but is super flavorful? How about chicken tikka masala? So I marinated these chicken breasts in tandoori spice and grilled them. We're going to kind of just put them in here while we make the sauce. You can see behind me I'm manufacturing charcoal for our Dutch oven. But this recipe is pretty simple. We're going to use 2 cans of diced tomatoes instead of just 1, just because it's a little juicy and our chicken is breast and not thigh. So we're going to dump those in. We'll call this the equivalent of 1 small onion. In it goes. And these are our spices. I just use the recipe from All Recipes. So it's got coriander, cumin, paprika, cayenne, all your usual suspects. So we'll just sprinkle that in there. Oh yeah, and it's got salt and pepper in it too. You can see we're cheating and using our liner, but that's just to give it a little extra because we're gonna be gone and let this cook by itself. So this is ginger and garlic, a few cloves of garlic, and a couple tablespoons of ginger. So what I'm gonna try and do is kind of stir this around just to mix it up a little bit. I was originally gonna do the sauce and then do the chicken, but we kind of got behind because the GoPro was gonna die. So I'll mix this around in here and then we'll put it on. Ooh, there's a big old batch of ginger. Can't miss that. And we'll just keep flipping and turning and slopping around. You can see how bright and vibrant this is. So one thing that we don't have that we're gonna add, we're gonna put sour cream in it instead of yogurt. And we don't have anything to scoop it with.
All right, I'll be right back.
Let's just improvise.
Okay. Yeah.
A couple of tablespoons of sour cream.
Glad you just washed your hands.
No kidding. And we'll stir that around and drop some water in here and throw it in our little cooker and let it cook for a couple hours while we're out screwing off in the woods.
Adventuring in the woods.
Oh yes, adventuring. Pre-season scouting, if you will.
Yep.
So that's what it looks like, and we'll throw it on. Put the lid on it. So when I put the lid on, I'm going to get rid of the grate, throw some charcoal on it, or some little coals. Life will be good. So let me pull the grill off. I'm going to open this up, throw a couple of pieces of wood on the bottom. Put the Dutch oven in. And then put some pieces around it. Put that one off. Just keep dropping these in here.
Make sure you grab that one back up.
Dang.
Yeah, put one right here. There you go. And then put that one on the front and shut the door. There you go. Well,
Something like that. And we'll put the lid on. Just because it's a little breezy today. Come back in a few hours and have dinner. Alright, 3.5 hours later, here's the big reveal. We're going to knock the charcoal off, or wood coal off. See if we knew what we were doing. Steamy hot. Looks like our sauce got a little dehydrated, but it's legit. It's legit. Don't you think that's legit?
absolutely.
So we're gonna flip this one more time. I'm gonna put my Dutch oven lid on the rock. We're just gonna give it a stir, just so everything is happy and reconstituted. We're gonna put the lid back on, and my wife is gonna make some secret recipe rice. Oh, and mushrooms. We get mushrooms too.
Oh yeah, we get mushrooms.
And we're gonna
That
eat
was
that.
exciting. Okay.
So there's the reveal. Bubbly chicken goodness. If you like any kind of spicy food at all, I recommend this recipe. I'll put the recipe in the description. We're gonna hit it with some rice, and oh, we got mushrooms, so we're cooking those up right now too. Ooh, it's definitely tender.
Yeah.
Don't mind our breakfast seasonings.
Oh, over there?
Yeah. Chicken tikka masala in the Dutch oven with rice and some wild mushrooms. Tell you what, you can't beat that with a stick. What do you think, hon?
Yep. Agreed.